Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So on this video, guys, I want to do a review of a credit card I got in my comments. I never did a review on this credit card, so I definitely want to do it. But that credit card is the Milestone credit card. So the Milestone Mastercard. Now, when it comes down to this credit card, you guys, it's going to be similar to one of the videos I did before. I honestly, you guys, I want you to look into all the details of this credit card. But I want you to try to get another credit card. And let me tell you why, though. Some people, y'all need to hear why. Because some people may need to just get this credit card, or they can start with a secure credit card. They can have it their way. But I would like for you guys to go to other credit cards. But let's look into this credit card and see what they actually offer. So the one thing I do like about them is they do the pre-qualify. So you can pre-qualify for this credit card. Now, somebody put that they actually got approved for $1,000 limit with this credit card. But their annual fee is $195, which is a lot of money. That means every year you got to pay $200, almost $195, just to have the credit card. Excuse me, I don't think that is proper. I don't think you guys should do that. But let's go ahead and see what it's like to pre-qualify for this credit card. So to pre-qualify for the credit card, you'll need to put your name, address, email address in, phone number, date of birth, and social security number. Now, you know how they just have the name here and you're thinking, oh, okay, it's going to be easy. More things are going to pop out as you start putting it in. So you could, everything's going to separate. So you could put, you can separate your first and last name, your address, city, state, and zip code, your email address, date of birth, social, and then at the bottom, you have to make sure you read everything about this credit card. They want you to read all the terms and conditions and everything about the annual fee. You can click accept and then pre-qualify now. Now, if they can't pre-qualify you for a Milestone credit card, what they're going to do is suggest that you guys get an Open Sky credit card with a $35 annual fee. And Open Sky, you actually have to put a down payment down. So you have to put your deposit down, whatever you want your limit to be. Now, Open Sky is a credit card. I always suggest to people, for people to go and get if they can't get any other credit card, because they're not going to check your credit. Open Sky, they'll give you a secure credit card as long as they can verify your identity. So if you're not able to get pre-approved, I do suggest that Open Sky credit card. I do. I just don't like this one when you have the high annual fees. So let's go ahead and click on annual fee. So I guess they have different cards that you can actually get, 3 different cards. So let's look and see what the annual fee is. The APR for the first one is 24.9. Your annual fee is $35 for the first year and then $35 after. I don't like the annual fee, but it's better than the 100 and something I've been hearing. 24.9% interest rate, so the same thing. Or you can have a $75 annual fee. And then it goes up to $99 thereafter. Wow. Somebody said they got a $300 limit and they have to pay $100 a month, the $99 per month, which is probably this one. This is the card that they probably got. And they said they were just going to cancel it after 2 years of it actually boosting their credit, which is a good idea. But try to get a credit card that don't have any annual fees. It'd be best for you. Okay, so the last credit card, there's the same interest rate, 24.9% interest rate. This one has a $59 annual fee and then $59 thereafter. So, they have 3 different cards that you can actually get with different annual fees. They don't have one with none, but I guess the least that you can pay is $35 per year. And if you guys go ahead and get that Open Sky credit card, that's going to be $35 per year anyway. That's going to be $35 per year anyway, just to have the Open Sky credit card. But that's the thing with the annual fee that I don't like. I don't like the fees. And then somebody said they had a $195 annual fee, so maybe the fees could go higher. Maybe the fees can actually go higher. And these are just the regular terms and agreement. This credit card in general is with the Bank of Missouri. I used to see the Bank of Missouri on a lot of my clients' credit reports. Now I see why I had to remove it from their credit reports, because when you max this out, you guys, if you was to have this credit card and you were to max it out, then your interest, you're going to get charged a lot of money in interest, and that's going to really hurt you. So I can see why people would mess up on this card as it being like a first credit card almost. And some people probably down on your luck, you want to just get a credit card. So you might just go ahead and get this credit card and don't think about the consequences. Now, yeah, if you get this credit card, you don't have to put a security deposit down, but you have to pay annually for that credit card, your annual fee. So every year they're going to take that amount off your credit card. And then too, they're going to report to the credit bureaus, which is really good. But there's other credit cards that you guys can definitely apply for if you just care about them reporting to the credit bureaus. So yesterday I talked to you guys about if you wanted to get one of these type of cards, I wanted you to go with Capital One. I still want you guys to look into Capital One because they have the pre-approval. And at least if they was the pre-approval for a credit card, hopefully you'll get pre-approved for a regular credit card with no annual fee. So you can see right here, they have the Platinum Mastercard. This is the one I really want you guys to get. They has no annual fee at all. So it's $0 annual fee. They have their Quicksilver one, which is a $39 annual fee, but at least you get 1.5% cash back. You don't get any cash back with Milestone. And these are their two secure credit cards. So their Quicksilver, you got a minimum deposit of $200. I think you can go all the way up to $2,500 or maybe even $3,000 as your deposit if you're doing a secure credit card. And then the Platinum secure credit card, you're going to have a $200 limit. That's it, right? Just that's all. It's a $200 limit, but depending on your credit, they may say, hey, put $49 down, $99 down, or even, hey, we need the whole $200. Now the annual fees, the other one was 24.9, I believe. Milestone was like 24.9. It's a little higher in annual fees, but these cards, like their secure credit cards, like they told you to go to Open Sky, with their secure credit cards, at least they graduate. So after 6 months of paying on time, they're going to look at your account. And if you've been doing good, they'll give you your money back. Whatever you put down as your deposit, they'll give you that back, and they'll just have a regular limit for you. And they most likely increase your limit too, which is really good. So it's easier to grow with Capital One than it is with Milestone. Now, I'm not saying Capital One is just all that great, but it's better, especially if you don't have to pay that annual fee. But I'm so happy I was able to do this video. If you guys have any other credit cards you want me to do a review for, definitely let me know. Go ahead and drop it down below. And again, you guys, please make sure you look into my exclusive membership, because if you have credit cards like this that you're applying for, it's probably because you just got negative accounts in your credit reports. And we can help you remove those accounts from your credit report so that you can start getting approved for better credit cards. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt, so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.